want you to understand this very clearly. Cybersecurity is not a technical problem.
It's a business problem. जो भी लोग साइबर सिक्योरिटी के अंदर काम कर रहे हैं, they will relate with this. So why I'm saying this कि ये एक business problem है, एक technical problem नहीं. उसके लिए मैं आपको एक example देता हूँ. जो भी Cloudflare के ऊपर आप manage या custom rule set कर रहे हैं, you are aligning the business goals with that manage or custom rule. You're not majorly aligning it with any technical solution that you have designed. बात ये आ रही थी कि साइबर सिक्योरिटी के अंदर करना क्या चाहिए. मैं information security के अंदर काम करता हूँ. I work with governance, I work with audit, I work with compliances and all that stuff. सुनने में ये documentation and all that boring stuff लगता है, but once you pass that stage, then you will understand that you will be the guy who will be responsible for helping the IT, helping the developers, helping all the firewall engineers and all that कि उनको implementation कैसे सही करनी चाहिए. You'll be going through the audits and you'll be explaining to the auditors कि आपने किस तरह implementation की है which aligns with your business goal and your needs. GRC and information security आपको एक complete picture नजर आती है कि what the SOC people would be doing and how they are doing it, how the audit logs and how the incident response teams are working. इन सब का आप basically risk calculate कर रहे होते हैं, आप इन सब को govern कर रहे होते हैं. You go through the audits of 27,000, SOC 2, FedRAMP, GovRAMP, HITRUST, you name it. Governance, risk compliance, or the information security field would always stay on the top because ये requirements निकालते हैं, ये business को support करते हैं. Comment below if you want me to give you a complete guide for the beginners who want to get into cybersecurity.